Here's how you can recreate Thing from Wednesday. Step 1. Record 2 clips. Clip 1. Record an empty frame without the hand. Clip 2. Take a video of the arm that's wrapped with green paper moving into frame. Import clip 1 into InShot. Press PIP and import clip number 2. Press autofill to fit to screen. Then press chroma to chrome out the green screen. Now split the clip where the hand goes in and out of frame, so we can still see an outline and a shadow. So let's use a circular mask to mask that out. Now you'll always have an extra helping hand, quite literally. Don't forget to like and subscribe to InShot on our socials.